everybody, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are just going to be doing a fun hair dyeing vlog today. We don't know how the outcome is gonna be, but if this video is uploaded, that means that the outcome is good enough to upload to YouTube. So today we have this huge hair dye haul, hair supplies haul, and today I am going to be dyeing my sister's hair rainbow. She's been watching YouTube videos on how to get rainbow hair at home, so she bought the materials for it. I know how to do hair more than she does, so I'm the one that's going to be doing it. So let us show you. I mean, there's like so much in here, so let's just look at everything she bought. I don't even know all the things that she bought. First of all, we have all of these bowls for all of the different colors. And they also come with their own brushes, which is great to keep all of the colors separate from each other. This is really satisfying to look at, all the different colors. So she bought, first of all, Arctic Fox needs to sponsor me because I swear on their products like every hair dye video. So my sister bought all Arctic Fox hair dyes. So we have aquamarine, iris green, never used these colors before, so I'm really excited to see them. Then we have neon moon, just like yellow. Virgin pink and violet dream are two ones that I have used before, and also I'm pretty sure you've used before on your hair. Probably. And then we have sunset orange, which I've used, and cosmic sunshine. And then lastly, we just have toner. I didn't realize how light her hair actually was, but there is still some pink, and obviously her roots have grown in like a couple of inches. So we're going to be bleaching her roots first, and also just bleaching the areas where there is some leftover color. And then we're going to be toning it so we get an all equal color around her entire head. And once we have the solid like platinum base to her hair, then all of these colors should be bright enough. I'm not a hairdresser. She's not a hairdresser. I am just doing this from experience because I dye my hair a lot and just from like research and stuff. So we've got a lot of hair colors here and it's going to be really fun to try and do all this rainbow stuff because I've never done rainbow to my hair before. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to the bathroom and we are going to start bleaching her roots. Alright guys, we just got done bleaching her hair. This is what it looks like. It's like a yellow-orange tone because we bleached all of her roots. So now we're going to use the Shimmer Lights Platinum Ice toner. It's the only toner that was available online at the time to buy. So we're going to use this with some 10 volume developer on damp hair because that's what the instructions say to do. And we're going to tone all of this orangey tones out here, and we're going to try to get like a platinum blonde color so we have like a platinum base. And hopefully all of the colors will be super neon. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, this is the color that we have gotten after doing the bleach and the tone. The lighting is like super bad in here, so kind of hard to see. It's like a nice icy blonde color. I mean, there's some pieces that have like a little bit of an orange tint, but not really too many because they were pink before. Here is the color that we got to. So I think it's light enough to be able to do all of the colors. I also gave her a trim because her hair has not been cut in like over a year and it definitely needed a trim. And then also we cut some bangs too. So we're gonna be dyeing the bangs pink, and then we're gonna section off like pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and we're just gonna like do lines of colors, and that's what she wants, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish drying her hair because it's a little bit wet still, and then I'm going to section off her hair and show you what the sections look like. Alright guys, so here's all the sections that we have here. She is looking like Medusa. So we've got pink in the very front, so like the short part of her bangs is going to be pink. And then we have orange here. So this section here will be orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then we go back to the beginning, pink, orange, and then this back part right here is going to be yellow. Same thing on this side here. So we have all of the colors lined up on the bathtub here. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix all the colors, and then we're just going to start dyeing her hair. My camera was about to die, so I had to stop filming, but here is what her hair looks like. All rainbow. It goes all the way to yellow in the back. So I'm gonna wait like an hour or two. We're gonna rinse it out and style it, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, here is the result after rinsing the hair out. I wish we had better lighting because it is now like 10 p.m. at night. We've been doing this like all day pretty much. We've got the pink in the front. We got some orange, some yellow, which actually came out a lot brighter than I thought it would. The only color that didn't come out the brightest was the green, because I think the green was just really light, but the green is still pretty pigmented. The blue came out the most pigmented. The blue was very pretty. And then the back, we have the lighter shades again. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry her hair, and then we're gonna style it, and then I'm gonna try to get some better lighting, and we're gonna take some pictures.